Model, 2008 Nissan Navara Double Cab Pickup Aventura 2.5dCi 169 4-wheel drive, spares OR repair needs simple turbo replacement star-struck checkmark. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 140676. MOT, 28 March 2024. Engine, 2488 cc YD25, E4. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect, runs even but the turbo needs repairing or replacing. Well worth getting this done, first to see will take this off us. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400